All right, big news coming in from Bangladesh. This is, remember, with Sheikh Hasina, who continues to be in Delhi right now. There were reports that has Sheikh Hasina made a big claim, to which Sajib Wazir, the son, has said that any recent resignation statement attributed to my mother, published in a newspaper, is completely false and fabricated. I've confirmed with her that she did not make any statement either before or since leaving Dhaka. And this, remember, is because right now, with the future in dilemma, in jeopardy about what happens to Sheikh Hasina, her family, could they be able to return, what is their plan? Reports had suggested that Sheikh Hasina had blamed the United States of America for the ouster when this happened, that she had blamed USA for plotting a regime change claim, and that there were reports that USA is eyeing one St. Martin Island in Bangladesh, and USA has wanted to build a military base claim. For now, the Sun says recently she did not make any statement on that.
আমি সজীব ওয়াজের জয় বলছি। আপনারা জানেন, আপনারা নিজের চোখে দেখতে পেরেছেন যে জাতির জনক, জাতির পিতা বঙ্গবন্ধুর বাসা।
So here's what the fresh controversy here is. Hasina's son is refuting reports on America's role in ousting Hasina as Prime Minister, or that Sheikh Hasina has said it anytime recently. Sheikh Hasina's son, Sajib Wazir, has denied statements that are being attributed to now former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, saying that there has been a US hand in the Bangladesh crisis. He went on to say that the statement attributed to his mother, Sheikh Hasina, are completely false, fabricated. No statement has been made, not since her departure from Dhaka or even before. Now, this after that there were news reports claiming that Sheikh Hasina, presently in India, blamed the United States of America for the regime change in Bangladesh, and that he could have remained, and that all of this could have continued in Bangladesh only if she had given away St. Martin's Island to the USA. It's a fishing hub which is located very close to the Bay of Bengal, and that if USA could build a military base there. Reports are claiming that Khaleda Zia's party was adamant, giving that island to USA if required, in return for help in winning elections. So could that happen? We'll know perhaps in some time to come on that. But while the political uncertainty is still on, there is sadly violence that we've seen on the streets. There is targeted violence. Minority Hindus have come out on the streets as well across Bangladesh against targeted attacks at them. We are told that while we are getting you these updates, India Today, remember, is the only channel reporting from the epicenter. We're on the ground. Ashutosh Mishra sent us this ground report. So there's been a lot of it about what's happening. Now take a look from the ground report center.
मैं इस समय ढाका में प्रसिद्ध ढाकेश्वरी मंदिर के प्रांगण में पहुंचा हूं। 8% आबादी हिंदुओं की यहां पर रहती है बांग्लादेश में, जिनकी आस्था है ढाकेश्वरी मंदिर के प्रति। ये एक शक्तिपीठ के रूप में इसकी मान्यता है, जाना जाता है, और शक्तिपीठ के अंदर हम जा रहे हैं। और बहुत सारी महिलाएं आपको यहां पर रोज दिख जाएंगे। जो यहां रहने वाले हिंदू हैं वो यहां पर आते हैं बड़ी संख्या में पूजा पाठ करने के लिए। और अब हम आपको अंदर लिए चलते हैं। यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि रहने वाले जो हिंदू हैं बड़ी संख्या में पूजा पाठ के लिए आते हैं। और इस समय हम शायद यहाँ पर एक विवाह प्रक्रिया हो रही है। और दूसरी तरफ आपको अब एक सीधे दर्शन कराते हैं माँ शक्तिपीठ के ढाकेश्वरी मंदिर। 12वीं सदी में सेन राजवंश के दौरान इसे तैयार किया गया था। यहाँ पर जिन हिंदुओं की आस्था रही है, दुनिया भर से लोग यहाँ आते रहे हैं, लेकिन इस बीच बांग्लादेश में कुछ ऐसा हुआ है कि तमाम हिंदुओं पर खतरा हुआ है, उनके धार्मिक स्थानों पर हमले हुए हैं। हालांकि स्थिति पर काबू करने के लिए फिलहाल सरकार की ओर से कोशिश की जा रही है, जो अंतरिम सरकार है, और साथ ही स्थानीय जो लोग हैं वो भी सुरक्षा के लिए सामने आ रहे हैं।